Fibox keeps the door open with the ARCA IEC DSP doorstop. Hi, I'm Carl Marchese with Fibox Enclosures, and we have recently introduced a doorstop accessory for our ARCA IEC series. Now this installs in just a few moments, but a few quick points. First, the DSP is both size and hinge orientation specific. So again, contact your local Fibox representative when ordering to make sure you get the correct component. Before we can begin, you'll need to prep your enclosure by drilling a 6mm hole, and that's about 1/4 inch US, 185 millimeters, and that's going to be 7 inches and 7/16 from the hinge side in, as well as 12 millimeters up, and that's about 7/16 up from the lip of the enclosure. Now, this is all going to be outside the gasketed area, and it will not impact the water tightness or NEMA 4X rating. So, let's install the kit. Once prepped, attach the arm kit to the ARCA IEC base with the 2 self-threading screws included in the hardware kit. Then secure the swing-out support arm to the cover by inserting the screw through the hole that you drilled, the spacer, the swing-out arm, and finally the threaded screw cap. It's that simple. Of course, you can ask Fibox to prep and install your DSP doorstop, saving you both time and money. Please contact your local Fibox representative for details. To use the doorstop, open your enclosure door and insert the tab into the appropriate notch. Push the door closed slightly to secure it, and to release, pull the door back, taking pressure off the notch, and allow the door to close. If you need additional information, please visit fiboxusa.com and have a great day.